Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to find, install, and configure one of the most powerful free VPNs available right now, Dark Tunnel VPN. Whether you're looking to bypass firewalls or secure your connection, this app has some incredible features like UDP, SuperDNS, and XRAY protocols. Let's dive right in. First, open up your browser. You can do this directly on your phone, but I'm showing it here on my desktop for clarity. Search for Custom UDP and head over to customudp.site. This site is a great hub for VPN tools. Click the menu in the top left, go to the Free VPN section, and scroll down until you see the Dark Tunnel VPN card. Click the Download button. This will redirect you straight to the Google Play Store. Once you're on the Play Store, hit Install. Since I already have it downloaded, I'll just click Open. When you launch Dark Tunnel VPN for the first time, you'll see a quick notice. Make sure to tap Allow for notifications so the app can keep you updated on your connection status in the background. It's safe and necessary for the VPN to run smoothly. Now, let's take a look at the dashboard. It's super clean and user-friendly. You've got your big Start button and 3 main connection modes right above it: UDP, SuperDNS, and XRAY. If you tap on Auto Select Server, you get a massive list of premium servers from around the world. You can choose specific locations like Spain or France, or just leave it on auto to let the app find the fastest connection for you. Let's test out the SuperDNS mode first. Select SuperDNS and hit Start. Because this is a free app, you are going to see a quick ad. Just let it play for a few seconds, skip it, and close out. Boom. Just like that. We are connected. You can see the data traffic moving on the graph. Once you're done testing, just hit stop. Next up is the standard UDP mode. This is great for gaming or anything that requires fast, connectionless data transfers. I'll switch the toggle to UDP, hit start, and as you can see, it connects almost instantly. Very reliable and very fast. Finally, let's look at the XRAY protocol. This is where Dark Tunnel really shines. When you select XRAY and open the tweak list, you get access to specific payloads tailored for different networks and countries globally. This is perfect if you need to bypass strict network restrictions or firewalls. I'm going to select the Firewall Breaker Trojan TLS option. Hit Start, and we are securely tunneled. There's also a deep settings menu if you want to configure custom DNS, app filters, or tweak the MTU sizes, but the default settings work perfectly for most users. And that's it.